So this is in Whitehouse, another mobile 7-Eleven with a closed car wash. And just a bit, we'll be checking out by a shell with a mystery car wash. Or could even be no wash. And then after that, we'll be over here to do the double rainbow. Another wild combo alert. Another Millennium and then Max 3. We'll do the we're gonna do the Millennium, of course. We're not gonna do another Max 3. So let's see. It's just up here. Somebody texted me. My guess is that the wash has been ripped out, but I don't know. Everybody wants to know what this is or what it has. Yeah, it's got open bay doors and it's got graffiti, so it's probably not a good sign. And yeah, there's a trash barrel, so that's also not another good sign. I have to go back in from the other side. Okay, yeah, this place doesn't look. This is definitely sketchy. Oh, it's just a 4,000? With some weird dryers. Of course I'm gonna back out here, but okay. That was not what I had in mind. Alright. Okay, now I know. Mystery solved. Back to double rainbow we go. 4,000 with aero dries, I think. You know what? Change of plans. I'm just gonna at least look through the thing. The display is destroyed. Yeah, this thing is definitely decommissioned. So yeah, I don't know if I want to drive through the thing. It's got the annoying treadle, but all right. So yep.